to Play Store, type Mr. Hafiz Masters Test Series and search, click search button. Then you can find the first app. After installing, it looks like this, and click on open. The Masters Academy Test Series will open, and the first, this is about us, so it just says what exactly it is, and about Masters Academy, and about faculty and placement activities and faculty description, everything. And the other is exams. In the exams you can find Mr. Hafiz Masters Test Series 1 sample 1. So if I click on it, 10 minutes 10 questions, and the instructions are provided. And if I start test, this is just a sample test. Okay, that's why this will be just instructions I am getting back. Now IBPS Clerk Prelims English, where the model here is 15 minutes you should solve 20 questions, where reasoning ability, numerical ability and English language will be there, and each question carries 1 mark, and wrong answer will make you 0.25 marks will be deducted. And if I start, so the timer will start from here. The timer is 14:50 to you, and the options are given to you. If I click on next, it will move to the next question, and it will move to the very next question, and it explains all about the options, the reading comprehension as well as the options. And if I move further, it is again another questions. So from here it's numerical ability, so it looks like this, and after reasoning ability it like this, and in the last question you will get submit test. So if I submit, that will be submitted. Then if I go to articles, in that articles, the reason to choose my career in banking. So reason number 1, reason number 2, reason number 3, reason number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. So this is just an article, you please go through that. Opportunities in banking sector, the article is provided here, you please go through with that. And FAQs, the frequently asked questions, those are answered already, you please go through with that. And notification related text will be given to you, you please go through with that, right? So if we come back again, the IBPS Mains English, if I open it, the IBPS Main Test 1, Test 2, Test 3, all models are given here, 15 mains tests, but the time here is 45 minutes 45 questions, 20 minutes 20 questions. So these are all slip tests, these are not full length tests. And these 20, the first, if you observe the first one, these 20 contain general finance awareness, general English, reasoning ability and computer aptitude and quantitative aptitude. The article consists reasons to choose career in banking, FAQs, notification. So again, SBI clerk mains. So SBI pattern, again articles, FAQs, notification. SBI related notifications will be given to you. The very next, IBPS clerk mains, IBPS clerk prelims, SBI PO. So Hindi version as well as English both are provided to you. You can make use of anything. So SBI prelims, SSC CGL, SSC CGL, SSC CHSL, which is 10+2, and Railway English. So Railway English RRB test 1, 20 minutes, 20 questions in English medium, railway pattern. Again FAQs, notifications. So JEE second stage CBT 2019 result came out in November 7. So IBPS RRB PO prelims exams. So RRB PO prelims test 1, test 2, test 3, like that 10 questions will be available to you and notifications will be available to you. And later IBPS RRB PO mains, clerk mains, all patterns are available here. The educational discussion and learning center, where the questions will be asked and you can answer properly. So this is the question, answer with solution. So this is the question, you can answer. If you answer, you will get recognition. And here the questions are, so even you can post your doubts by clicking here. So title of the question, type for the question, example I am studying you about you, and select the post category. So is it facts and quotes or learn English or GK current affairs. So in current affairs, 18th November Naturopathy Day, death of Sumitra Chatterjee, and all are given to you. And vocabulary, abase, abasement is a noun, abaser. So I am just going through how you can make use of these. So in stories, what will people say? So what will people say? Linda's. So these are just articles and stories where you can learn many words, vocabulary. And GD and personal interview. So types of group discussions. So case study based discussion, abstract discussions. So all these are given to you. So you please go through each and everything. So the computer terminology, terms with alphabet A. So access time, active program or window, alert. So all will be there. And banking terminology. In banking terminology again, terms related to A. Account agreement, account history, account holder, acquiring bank, accrued interest, like that. So these are all related to knowledge center. And quiz. So what you learned in knowledge center you can attempt here as a quiz. So 1486 quizzes are available. Okay. Now IT awareness. So questions will be given. Within 3 minutes you should answer 5 questions. So that is, other is banking awareness, quizzes, mock test. So 3 minutes 5 questions. Marketing awareness. Marketing awareness. Now vocabulary quiz. So these are all related to quiz. And study zone and management. So here are the videos, you can go through that. So institute notification, that's it. This is what the Mr. Hafiz Masters test series will provide. So please make use of it. And the subscription costs 1 month 200 rupees, for 3 months 500 rupees, For 1 year, it's 1000 rupees. So it's your call for how long you can use. My suggestion is to take for 1 year to get your knowledge. So thank you. Bye bye.